To all my little ones and witches out there. Today, I've been a little sick, so my voice is kind of wonky. It's a little off, so just look over that, please, and just bear with me. I'm going to try to get through this. But we're doing a set of breast cancer awareness month. This is this month, so we're doing a set of breast cancer awareness nails. And this is a Makartt unboxing. And as you've seen so far, we have the instructions, a 180 grit file, a brush with the picker tool, the forms, and that's the base coat and top coat. And then we have 6 tubes of builder gel, and each one is 15 milliliters. And we're going to start swatching. I'm going to do the swatching right here, and we're going to start with the first one is blue, and it's 971. The second one is orange, and it is 972. The third one is pink, which we're going to be using a lot of today, and it is 976. The fourth one is yellow, and it is 975. And the fifth one is green, and it is 973. And last but not least is purple, and it's 974. And the kit and everything that's used today will be linked down in the description box. And I'm going to secure these so you can see them after they're cured and out of the light. And to start off with, I have already, there they are cured out of the light. I've already prepped and primed my nails and put on tips. And them are square Makartt tips, if anybody likes them. But yes, I have already pushed back my cuticles and used my protein bond and dehydrator. And now I'm using the base coat that comes in the box kit. It's the base coat, and I'm putting it on the whole nail. You don't have to. You can just put it on the natural nail. Some people think it's but you don't have to put it on the tips, and you may not have to. That's fine, but it's just how I've always done it, and I am a creature of habit, so I just stick with what I do. That's just me. You don't have to do what I do. You just do what you choose. If you don't put them on there and it works just fine for you, then that's fine too. Just do whatever works best for you. But like I said, we're going to be doing a set of breast cancer awareness nails, and mention that, ladies, please, ladies, go get yourselves checked. It's very vital. It's very important. It doesn't take long. It's a quick mammogram, and you're in and out, and it could save your life. It really could. So if you haven't already, please take the time to make an appointment and go get checked. Okay, so what I'm doing here, and like I said, this is builder gel, so you can tell how it just glides right on the nail. You don't even really have to use the brush. You just use the tip of the bottle of the tube, and you just float it right over that nail. You don't even touch the nail, and you see I just got some off the skin right there. If you get any on the skin, please remove it, because that will cause you lifting, and it could cause you a reaction to the gel. But yeah, you just glide it right over the skin. You don't even have to touch the nail. If there's spots you miss, you take the brush like I'm about out of frame. I do apologize for that, guys, but you just take the brush just like I did and just kind of float it over in spots that you've missed that you see, and it'll glide right into it. It's self-leveling, very, very self-leveling. So that's really good. So it'll just go right wherever you put it, basically, and then you just pop it right in the lamp and you cure it. And what I'm trying to go for here, the effect I'm trying to go for, is that design with the saran wrap, I guess, where you put it on there and kind of wrinkle it up, and then you cure it like that, and then you take the wrap off and you put another color on top, and it kind of comes back as a marbled look. And I've seen it done many times. I did not happen to achieve it this time. I don't know. I think it was because my colors wasn't enough contrast between them to be able to see the difference. So as you'll see, when I get done with the filing and all the mess with this nail, fooling with it, it winds up just being a nail with pink chrome on it. It's really, really beautiful. It came out beautiful. It just didn't come out how I planned it, but it does come out really, really nice. But so I'm going to finish this nail up and let y'all just watch this, and I'm going to pop in and out during this video because like I said, I'm sick. I really can't do a lot of talking, but I'm going to be popping in and out, you guys. But most of the video I'm going to try to just let you sit and watch and enjoy. Alright? Alright guys, I'll be back in just a few. Okay, on this one I'm doing a, starting out with the purple, I'm doing a pink and purple ombre, and then I go on top with some pink glitter and a breast cancer awareness ribbon, water decal that I put on there, and it turns out really, really pretty. But yeah, the glitter gel was a little bit, I would say, harder to work with as far as doing the ombre, but it turned out really well in the end. I liked it, but yeah, that's what we're doing with this now. Actually, these are little butterflies that I use, the little pink butterflies that I'm putting on here. And then I go in and put a little bit of glitter with them. And then, not sure, I don't think, no, I don't put a breast cancer awareness ribbon on this nail. This nail is just the little pink butterflies and the pink glitter that goes on this one. I apologize, I was wrong about that, but yeah, that's what I do. It turns out really good. Just continue watching. I'll pop back in whenever I get to the next nail, and I'll explain to you what I'm doing with that one. I encapsulate this nail, actually. That's why it kind of looks a little limpy now, because I wound up encapsulating it and then filing it. It turns out really smooth. So just keep watching and enjoy, and I'll pop back in for the next middle finger. Okay, so these are my water decals that I'm cutting out, because on the middle finger I'm gonna do a side French tip, and with the tip being the pink and then the bottom part being clear. And then I put like 3 water decals over where my natural nail shows through. I put them over that so it don't show through as bad. Kind of cover that up a little bit, hide that. And then I put one water decal, one ribbon up on the pink part of the French tip. So that's what I'm doing there. I'm getting ready, getting the water decals ready. And actually I messed up with the first ones I put in there, because there's like a clear film that covers them, and I cut 3 or 4 of them out and put them in there. But I didn't take the clear film off, so when I was getting ready to get them out, instead of being in the water floating around, they were stuck to the clear film, so it completely ruined them. But I cut a few more out and took the clear film off, and it worked just fine. They worked really good. So, but yeah, and then I also put a little bit of glitter across where the pink and the clear meet together, just to kind of have a more smooth transition from going to one color to the other, I guess. Even though it was more reference style, not or color blocking, not just ombre. It still, I felt like I needed that that little extra design there, or extra little little glitter, just to make that transition a little bit smoother and a little bit nicer, a little bit neater, I guess you could say. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys keep watching this, and I will pop back in again whenever I need to explain something to you guys. And then for the ring finger, I just do a purple and pink together again, and I kind of swirl them together, and I put a little bit larger size ribbon, breast cancer ribbon on it, and then I go in the middle of the loop with a pink rhinestone, and then the pinky nail, I do a crystal nail out of it. I throw on some pink glitter and 3 ribbons, decals, and each one of them ribbons have a small pink rhinestone in the center of the loop, and that makes the whole set, and you guys will see, get to see them in the end. But I'm gonna pop back out. Like I said, my throat is really killing me, so I can't talk very much, so I'm gonna pop back off here and let you guys just finish enjoying the rest of the video. Thank you guys. And here for my charm, I used the Poochie's bling gel. And what you do is you just put the bling gel on where you are going to put your charm, and then you go straight over top of it without curing it with the Poochie's top coat. Put your charm on and then cure it, and it works great. That's definitely my go-to bling gel for all time. So I wouldn't use any other, I don't believe, if I didn't have to. And I believe that's the last thing that I do before I top coat everything, and then we're getting ready to get to my finishing result. And I think this really turned out to be a gorgeous set, and I love the theme. I love the breast cancer awareness. Pink is my favorite color, so that definitely went well with me, and I just love how they turned out. They were just kind of a little more simplistic than what I normally do, but sometimes less is more. I have a problem with that because I just want to put so much on there. There's so many choices, so much stuff to choose from, and it's hard for me to just pick one thing. So I always have so much going on with my nails, but I really kind of did simple it down a little bit with this, and I'm glad I did it. It worked out really good. It turned out just like I had planned it to. So, but as you can see with the chrome, like I was telling you, that was the pink chrome I did on my thumb. It didn't turn out as the marble that I wanted, but however, it did turn out really good with that chrome. That chrome worked very well, and so they all turned out good. We got the breast cancer awareness now, ladies, and I'm going to tell you again before this video is over, please, please, please go get yourselves checked. It is life or death. It doesn't take me a second just to make it doesn't in and out of the doctor. So just keep that in mind, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button for more videos. Bye, guys.